Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality food or better from my home to yours. So let's get cooking. Okay guys, as you can judge now for what the contents is on the table is, I'm going to be making you the perfect cheesy grilled roast beef melt at home. So let's get cooking. Alright, here what we got here. We got some sourdough bread. We got some deli roast beef right here. And we have some pepper jack cheese followed with some American cheese. We got some onions right here that we're going to grill up. And we have the roast beef right here. And right here is the Thousand Island, the sauce that I'm going to go with today. Now I do know how to make this from scratch and I'll show you how to do that one day. Now, I was going to use butter on there, but I'm going to go ahead and use mayo on there. A lot of people don't agree with it, but trust me, it ain't nothing but eggs and oil, okay, with a little seasoning in it. Alright, so you're not going to get sick. Alright, so I'm going to take you guys over there and let's get cracking. So guys, I'm back, and this is all we're going to do. We're going to take our meat. This is like 10 slices of roast beef. I'm going to put it down this way. Alright. I'm not going to be using this. My kids will be, because I'm still under the weather a little bit. We're going to put our onions and stuff over here. Now if you want to, with your onions, you could put a little butter on it. I got some butter in my cabinet. I'll just spray a little of that on there. Just like that. That's all we putting on there. Now, with our bread, we're just going to take us some mayo and put it on there just like so. And we're going to stick that on the grill like that. And I'm about 75% better than I was, and I appreciate everybody sending the love for me getting better. And that's it with the mayo. Now, that's what we're going to do. We're going to take our cheese, going over that way. I don't think I did enough cheese. Don't feel like it, but I think I did. I think I got an extra piece of cheese up there. Tell you, when you get sick and stuff, you forget a lot of stuff. You don't be 100% like you want to be. Okay, now that's going over there, just like so. Alright, when that get warmed up pretty good, then I'll show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay, I'm back guys. I'm just going to go ahead and put some of this sauce on top of the cheese. This way my bread won't get soggy. You can throw you some of these onions on there. We don't want them too done. We want a little bite to it. Okay, just a little bit, not a lot. I did flip the meat. I just want to try to get some of that moisture out of there. Then all we're going to do is transform. I press down on a little bit more. Some of that extra moisture out of there. I'll just take that and put it right on top of there. Okay. Bring this over and do the same thing. like that. Okay, take the bottom. Let me see if I can grab it right here. Slide that over some more. Slide that over there. We're just going to let this cook for about 2-3 minutes on each side. And I'll show you guys what we got in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm going to take this off. That's that one. The mug is heavy too. Guaranteed to satisfy anybody needs. Alright, so let's chop this in half. Okay, there you go. Right there. My son is special. He want his like this. So. Put this on deck. So there it go. Hope you guys enjoy it. Make you guys one. It tastes pretty good, as usual. No, I'm just talking. But guys, please go ahead and make some of these recipes. I'm telling you, they're not no joke. It's not a joke. Alright, it is super good. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tell all your friends and family to tune in to VELDOGGS Kitchen. I appreciate everybody from tuning in and supporting your boy. See you next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen in a minute.